Dimensions in Sketch environment. You can fix the position and dimension of an object by this commands. Check the graphic toolbar to active dimension display checkbox. Draw a simple line, click and specify start point, and then end point, press middle button of the mouse. To finish the job, and complete the command, now you can see the default dimensions of this line. To add your desired dimension, click Dimension command in ribbon, and do it and finish the command. To apply it and fix the dimension, press middle button of the mouse, and double-click on its value. And change its value. Repeat this operation and make dimension for start point of line and its end point. All the dimensions must be in black color. OK. Now the dimensions of this line is finished. Very good. Again, you can double-click on desired dimension and change its value. Test it more and more. Good. Also in ribbon, click Modify command, and change the dimensions value with this command. Test this command for other dimension values. Try to do it and complete the job. OK. It's very good. Also with reference dimension command you can add a angle dimension between this line and reference. Test it and see the new dimension. OK. It's very good. In the following, create a simple rectangle, and press middle button of the mouse to fix it. Now you can see the default dimensions. Change the dimensions and write your desired values. OK. Do it for all dimensions. Again, draw another rectangle, and then you can see the added dimensions. Change its values by double-click, and write your desired value on its dimensions. OK. It's very good. Try to do it and complete the job. Also change the reference of dimensions. Make it with this datum. OK. And write your desired value in this new dimensions. Test it more and do it again. And then draw a new circle here, and see its dimensions, and change its values. OK. It's very good.